Good morning, children. Children, today I will start history chapter. History, how boring. I know most of you are thinking like this. But my dears, this is a myth about history. History actually a subject of illumination of our soul, which ignites our minds and help us to differentiate between right and wrong. It gives us courage to come forward and raise voice against injustice. It also helps us to understand society and the social changes by which our life get affected. Children, in this book, we will learn about different revolutions and social changes which prepared foundation for the modern societies in which you and me are living. Here you can see this is the textbook prescribed by NCERT for class 9th, India and the Contemporary World Part 1. So, the first chapter of this history book is the French Revolution. Children, as the name is suggesting that in this chapter you are going to learn about the revolution which took place in country France. Here you can see this is the flag of France, in which you can see the three colors indicating the three ideals, that is liberty, equality and fraternity. On the other side you can see this is a map. In this map, this is the country France about which you are going to learn in this chapter. This yellow one you can see this is the France country and it is a country of Europe continent. When we talk about its location, so you can see it is bounded by UK towards its north side. UK means United Kingdom. Towards its northeast, it is bounded by Belgium and country Germany. Towards its east side, it is bounded by country Switzerland. Towards its southeast, the country Italy lying. Towards its south, it is surrounded by a water body, that is the Mediterranean Sea. This is the country Spain, which gives its this country to boundary from its southwest, and towards its west direction you can see again a water body, that is the Atlantic Ocean. Here you can see this is a small country. This country is located in the western hemisphere, but this country political revolution gives a big legacy to the whole world. It promoted the ideals like liberty, equality and fraternity by which the other countries of the world were affected, and most of the countries of the world adopted these ideals in their constitution. The biggest example of this is India. When India got its freedom from colonial rule in 1947, the constitution framers included these ideals in our constitution, and this is these ideals are one of the national goals of to be achieved. So, this revolution has a big importance in world history. Now, as the revolution, you can see revolution actually is a vast word. It has different meanings in different aspects. In political science, it is related to fundamental and relatively sudden changes in political power and government, which occurs when the population revolts against the governments. As here also you can see in this definition, a revolution is a sharp change made to something, a big change, a drastic change. And this revolution word has been come from uh, Latin word revolutio, which means a turn around to transform from one situation to another situation. Here children, here you can see the term revolution is it has a number of, it is associated with number of words. You can see like it is protest, rebellion, strike, rebel, uh, demonstrations, freedom, overthrown. So all these are the associated words of revolution in its vast meaning. So it is a vast word with vast meaning. Now we will move